relaxing your body now, getting into a state of receptivity. Close your eyes. You are the integration station. You are the intersection of the interstellar. The North Star of your desires is contained in this field of knowing. See or sense the sacred geometry of light. These light codes materialize into your field to upgrade, rewire, recode, and recalibrate to the immanence, the divine frequencies of the highest order, the fractals of light seeping into every layer of your being, your beingness, your mind, your circulatory system, your body is cleansed, purified, cleared of stagnant, old thinking. Unhealed patterns and beliefs dissolve. Allow these old ideas and beliefs and energies to release and be enveloped in a golden light that will repair, renew, and radiate every cell, now, in every layer of your being. That's right. Allow this light to expand from every cell to every energy center known and unknown, and in and around your body. Remember your grounding, sending the crystalline structure of the earth. The vibrational frequency of the earth is the heart, the pulse, the life force. The electromagnetic field of the earth is supporting you, holding you, healing you. Release, surrender, renew. Now, drawing this energy up into your heart. Feel this current supporting you, expanding in and around your body. The crystalline structure of the earth is connected deeply to you. Allow it to expand into your heart space. And now see a golden light from the sun above you, looking up above at this light. And now sense this stream of light pouring down over your entire body. Now drawing the pure light into the center of your crown, the top of your head, drawing this energy from the sun down into your heart. See, sense, feel a geometric pattern, a grid, a magnetic force drawing you deeper and deeper into the space of knowing, of pure love, of celebration of your unique essence. This energy from the earth meets, mingles, marinates. It is a magnetic force so strong, a love so pure, so deep. It takes your breath away. You drop into a state of pure bliss, a state of union, communion, of purity, filled with light, with clarity, with knowing. Feel your guides smiling at you, protecting you. The geometric field now clears any and all remaining blocks from the pure crystalline radiance of the earth glowing in your heart space. Breathing in gratitude, breathing in this essence, allowing the upgrades to work for you. Ask your guides to continue this process of upleveling, rewiring, recoding your vision of your future self, your gifts, your imprint. It's for the highest good, and hence all divine forces and guides are celebrating and conspiring to create the frequency, the place where you are an energetic match to your vision, your mission. Release, relax, allow this to unfold. Trust, surrender, let go. It is done.